Oh, summer. It sounds good right now after what we just experienced, doesn't it? Grilling out.
Sick.
These are some of the things we expect with summer.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to Going to the airbag. We're going to Volkswagen. I don't even know if I said, but basically my injectors were leaking. So I bought new injector seals, replaced them, and they're still leaking. So now I've ordered injector cups, a new gasket, and paint, because we're going to be painting the manifold. Let's go. We just got to Volkswagen, we just came back, and we've put in an order for a brand new GTI 2018 plate. It's going to be on the channel tomorrow.
I was about to say, and we just bought me a car. You stole my thunder. So I was going to say that one.
We wish, like, that you want to just give me some money so you can just buy one. Anyway, we got a new gasket for the inlet manifold, and then these are what I believe may have cracked in mine. So that's what we're replacing. Now let's go home. So today's plan, as I already said, did I say it? Did I say in the video that I'm going to paint the manifold? Yes. Well, basically I'm taking the inlet manifold off to fix the injectors that are still leaking for some reason. So while it's off, I'm going to paint it. I got this black wrinkle paint, and then I've also got, what's the fuck's it called? I've got primer and clear coat, but I don't think I need to use primer for this, but I'm going to buy a different valve cover, and it's smoother and a lot cleaner, so I think I'm going to clean that up and paint that one copper. Maybe it'll look a bit better, so I'm going to prime it, then paint it, and then clear coat. Hopefully it looks a little better than my current one, but we're just making breakfast at the moment. As I've already said today, we're replacing, no, we're not replacing, well we are replacing, but we're painting this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bolts, either that side. You can see that, and one there, I think that's it. Alright, so I've just discovered something really bad. Where the intercooler goes down, there, that's been rubbing against that belt. And that's properly dug a hole. Fuck my life. I'm gonna have to, I don't know what to do. Alright, we're taking it off now. Alright, now with the hard bit out of the way, the inlet manifold is off. As you can see, all along this side is just black. You see right there, that's all fuel. All of that is fuel that has been leaking down because of, well, I thought it was the O-rings, but now I believe it's these. So I've got new cups, and I guess these just unscrew. Clean that up as well, probably. Then just tape around that bit, and that bit, and take that off, and then paint it all with this black. I've given it a bit of a clean. It's not like ultra clean, because I can't ultra clean it because it's clean, right? But we've got a situation. I don't know if I've already said this, but I'm saying it again. I don't have a 20mm socket Allen key thing to take out the old injector cups. But we're just gonna go paint it now and wait to see if I can find one anywhere. If not, I'm probably gonna have to wait until it comes from eBay. So I'll be without a car for about 3 years. Alright, that's the first coat done. It's not going to obviously look wrinkled yet. It takes apparently fucking ages to dry, so it won't be put back on today. So I'll just spray it today and leave it to dry overnight, and then see how it looks in the morning. It's looking good. Damn. I like that. Alright, whilst we're waiting for the paint to dry, I'm doing two things. Because the inlet manifold is off, you can easily, and point it to that, you can easily see the thermostat. So I think I should be able to get to that. More crap gone. That we do not need, apparently. Alright, there we go. So that's what we need. So that was going to be going back onto the inlet manifold. That's going to be connecting to our new pipe. And this stuff we do not need. Coolant drained. Now I can undo the thermostat. Bolts out. This is actually a miracle. Inlet manifold is out of the way, which means that one of the bolts is right there. So that one's easy to get to, but you still got to get to the one down there. I undone the battery, and then undone the alternator wire, and then pushed that down out of the way, and then use this weird bendy tool thing to try and get to it. Need to actually make sure I've got the thermostat still. I'm sure it's somewhere down there. Alright, I found the new one. So let's get this swapped. You can probably tell by my red face, but that was an absolute pain in the bitch to do. It's the next day, and the paint is all done. Just excuse my face, it's really fucking hot outside, and I was just straining trying to get those injector cups out. But that's all done now. Basically, they were an absolute bitch. I'm gonna go show you what they were and how I got them out. Here are the old cups. They were horrible. It's painted. I have accidentally knocked it a few times with the spanner. This was a tool that I used to get them out because I couldn't for the life of me find anything. But I found this. That fits in, and then I got a spanner wrench, that wrench thing. So it was, oh my god, it's fucking hard. I was gonna spray paint this new one as well, but I really can't be arsed. I'm just gonna go do this and fix my car. So enjoy this little speed ramp of me fixing my car. If the battery didn't die, because the battery died yesterday, I completely forgot about that. The battery died, and I managed to fix my thermostat. The thermostat has now been replaced. I haven't turned my car on, obviously, because of this, so I don't know if I've done it right. I'm hoping once this is in, my car is going to be running perfectly, because that is everything. That's literally everything. I can't imagine anything else. But we'll see, because something will go wrong. Okay, we're about to start the car. I just want to show you guys this one more time. The only thing I'm concerned about is this. So where we wired up the new brake booster hose, it's a bit like there's a tiny crack in there. So I'm gonna get some new hose clamps. So I got the wire, I just need some new hose clamps for that. But we're gonna turn it on. Quick recap of what we've done. Brake booster hose, thermostat. We painted this, changed it, injector cups. Let's turn it on. I'm scared. All the different holes and everything, they're all bolted up, I think, and plugged, so this should start. Hopefully, right, if this doesn't...
Sorry. My phone vibrated.
If this doesn't run perfectly, then I don't know what's wrong with my car. Okay, we gotta let that go, because that noise at the moment is this, because I took that off, it's realigning itself. You can hear that high-pitched squeal. So we just got to wait for that to just do its thing. How was your guys' day? How was your weekend? Was it good? What did you get up to? Interesting. I'm thinking of doing that myself. Leave a like if you're here and you're waiting with me. Thanks guys. Okay, I think it's done.
There you go. Oh no. Oh.
It takes a while. It sounds good. So, because I did the coolant, I've got the heating on full blast to try and air out any bubbles in the coolant, because I don't want a coolant lock. Apparently that's how you fix it. It's idling smoothly, there's no, like the boost gauge is saying that it's smooth.
Shall we go?
For a drive?
Yeah.
Let's go. Over it now, and it feels, I don't want to jinx it, but it feels a lot better. But it used to do this thing where I would lightly tap on the accelerator as I'm accelerating, and it would like build up boost and then randomly dump boost, but I wasn't doing anything. Like my foot was just slightly on the accelerator, and it hasn't done that yet. It's really, really smooth. Like it's holding the boost. Just give it some welly. I probably did my concentration face that I always do. That felt good. I don't know.
Behind a bus.
I don't know why I followed a bus.
Do you know, your YouTube channel just wouldn't exist if your car didn't break so often.
I know, and I'm kind of thankful for it.
But
It's like it makes.
You're not.
Yeah, no, it's really fucking annoying, but it makes videos, doesn't it? Like it's a journey. We're on this together.
There you go. You heard it here first. If you want to be a YouTuber, buy a shit car.
Yeah, basically. I mean, isn't that like what every YouTuber has anyway? And it went up to 90 like instantly. Thermostat is fixed! I don't know why it's still doing that. It should just be a nice cream crisp, but maybe it is because of the intercoolers making like more boost. I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and leave you guys though, because I need to get back. Nah.
What?
Okay, nah. There is no check engine light.
It'll be back. It will be back.
Thanks for watching, guys. If you did enjoy the video, make sure to leave a like. What do you think of the black inlet manifold? I think it looks actually really good. I'm going to paint the other copper one so it matches, but yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.
Oh, you always say bye. I was waiting for the bye.
Nah, I didn't bother.
Alright, bye. Zooming in, literally like 3 minutes after we stopped the video. Well, you turned off your car.
Yeah, and the fucking check engine light's back on.